Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, something absolutely crazy is happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You remember maybe if you watched my previous video, the live video I made 3 or 4 hours ago, I was predicting this breakout for Bitcoin. But right now something is happening and I feel actually obligated to talk to you right now. I am here in a lounge in Mexico, in a random lounge. Actually don't know if the Wi-Fi will be strong enough to get the video up as soon as possible. But I want to go into the charts and show you what I am actually looking out for right now, what I am doing with my previous trade, and when I will open my next trades. Actually, I staked up 2 of my trades today, but I am still planning another trade today. I will show you exactly where to go in, where to go out, and much more. Watch this video until the very end and give me this feedback, guys. If you want more of these videos, no matter where I am, make sure you smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and you leave your favorite altcoins down below and share the video with your friends. Let me go into it. And as you remember, this was a tweet I posted on the 28th of February, actually 2 weeks ago, and I was posting Bitcoin bullish divergence and falling wedge breakout here in the moment we were breaking out. And back then, 2 weeks ago, I was already accurately predicting the $56,800 price target. And well, if you followed my trade over there, let me go over to the charts. Congratulations to you. You are in a severely profitable trade. If you actually opened the trade all the way down there where I gave you this signal, you traded it all the way up here. You took perfect profits. Actually, you are exposed in a 150-200% profit trade here with leverage. But now the question is, are we going to go higher? What is my next call on Bitcoin? First of all, if you are new to the MMCrypto family, guys, let me quickly go back. If you're new to the MMCrypto family, if you're not subscribed yet, scroll down, press the subscription button, press the bell and press on all, not to miss out on the next future updates. I have here thousands of people in the MMCrypto family making significant profits. I want you to be part of that, so go down, subscribe to the channel right now. So what is happening to Bitcoin right now? I want to tell you, well, if you traded it right here, the moment to take profits was here. But what is the next trade for Bitcoin? Well, you might as well say that Bitcoin already broke out of this cup and handle pattern. Well, yes, you could make the case. Yes, you could already go into a long trade. But if you want to play it the very safe way, I mean, the daily candle just closes in like 1 hour and 15 minutes, right? Wait for the daily candle to close. I mean, maybe you're watching that after the daily candle closed. And then usually if you are trading at the high, the break through the all-time high, it's the highest number here on the left side, on the right side, the 58,288. That was the previous all-time high. Let me quickly go back here. That was the previous all-time high. So if you just trade a volume supported break through the all-time high, that might be the safest bet. And I want to show you exactly why. Let me quickly go back to the previous all-time high. As you can see here on the very left side, when we're rejected at the $42,000 level, we went down. And in the moment we actually broke through right here with volume support, let me pull out the volume. Look at this big volume candle here on the downside. The moment we actually broke through, this was the moment we actually, and listen to this, we never saw the price level again. The moment we broke through, we didn't even come back when we went down in this bear trend. And the same thing actually goes for every single pump. So let's go back to the previous all-time high here. So we had an all-time high right here at the $20,000 level. We went down, but the moment we broke through, we never went back again. And the same thing actually goes for many all-time highs Bitcoin was breaking. Usually, if we are seeing an all-time high break with volume support, the likelihood is low at least. It's not a certainty, but the likelihood is low that we are going back below and that we are breaking back below. However, sometimes we are seeing these fake outs when there is not enough volume support. We are seeing a break above, people are going in and the market is actually just suckering them in, and then we are going down for the stop hunts, and then we are going down for the liquidation hunts. But this is actually a good opportunity. And if you really want to play it the safe way and you want to trade this cup and handle breakout here where we have the beautiful cup, let me show it to you right here, and then the handle down, well, if you want to play it the safest way, you can trade this breakout above the previous all-time high, above the 58,288 level. And then you could trade it perfectly here all the way up to the level of 70,500. I personally would take profits below at the $60,000 psychological level and at the $67,000 golden ratio. Quick update about Ethereum, guys, just for everyone who is interested. We have here this downwards tilting cup and handle pattern. We didn't break out yet, we just broke the cup, but once again guys, you never know what's happening here. Maybe we are having a double top or so it would be the best, of course, to just trade here once again the all-time high, or at least to trade the break above the previous high, which would be the $1,879 level. And just to conclude that with a price target here, once again guys, take profits before. We are always taking profits before the target, but this trade could actually perfectly bring us to $2,500. Once again guys, I mean, you know that we are, let me quickly go back here, I have to switch the camera. We are trading these Bitcoin breakouts all the way before the all-time high. We started trading these breakouts long at $9,400. The higher we go, the higher the risk. So don't throw your life savings in. If you made significant profits, always take another 5%, another 10%. So you can make sure when I'm wrong or when you are wrong, you can go back the next day and trade it once again. Use the links down below if you're an experienced trader. If you are new to the MMCrypto family, there's a $700 bonus down below. If you go to the pinned comment, you click these links after your initial deposit, you get $700 for free. You can trade with this free bonus and you can withdraw the profits from this free bonus as well and just add it to your hodling portfolio. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, smashing up the like button, leaving your favorite comments in the altcoins in the comment section down below. And with that being said, I have to say goodbye because I'm boarding very soon. And as always, guys, bye bye.